Hi, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to discuss results of Marico Q4 2020. What Marico is doing. Marico is one of India's leading consumer goods companies operating in the global beauty and wellness space. Marico touches the lives of one out of every three Indians through its portfolio of brands such as Parachute, Safolo, Hair and Care, Parachute Advance, Nihar Naturals, Medicare, True Roots, Kaya Youth O2 and many. Now we'll see results of Marico Q4 2020. Here results are in crores. Here this is March 31st 2019 and this is March 31st 2020. That means year on year. In 2019, revenues from operations is 1609 crores. In 2020, 1496 crores. So here revenues decreased. Other income is similar, like here previous year 28 crores, now 32 crores. Total income is previous year 1637 crores, now 1528 crores. How much it decreased? 1637 minus 1528 divided by 1637 into 100. 6.6 percentage decreased. Here it decreased 6. Here cost of material consumed previous year 1042 crores, here 796 crores. Here revenues decreased, so cost of materials consumed also decreased. So purchase of stock in trade, so similar. Here change in inventories of finished goods previous year 263 crores credited, now 84 crores only. Here it's a big difference. Employee benefit expense previous year 117 crores, now 108 crores, so this is also similar. Finance cost previous year 12 crores, now 13 crores. That means 1 crore interest is increased. That means they increased borrowing little bit. Depreciation same amount. Here advertisements and sales promotion previous year 153 crores, now 126 crores only. That means they decreased promotions also. Others similar. Here total expenses previous year is 1366 crores, this year 1265 crores. To get profit before exceptional items, revenues minus total expenses, we are getting 260 crores, previous year 271 crores. Here share of profit or loss, we have 1 crore, so we need to subtract this value. That means profit before exceptional items 262 crores, now previous year 270 crores. Later we have exceptional items 10 crores. So what is this 10 crores? Here we have refer note 10. We need to check note 10. Here we have note 10. What is this note 10? Impairment of loss of 10 crores towards goodwill arising out of South African hairstyle. So here they have 10 crores loss for goodwill arising out of South African hairstyling brand. So this is exceptional item. That item mentioned here. So that amount is 10 crores. 262 minus 10, that means 252. That is profit before tax. Previous year is 270 crores. Later, we have current tax 73 crores and deferred tax 20 crores. In the brackets, we have 20 crores. That means this is credited and this is debited. 73 minus 20, 53 crores. So they paid 53 crores tax. Previous year, 67 minus 12, 55 crores. So we have one thing, tax adjustment for earlier years, that is refer note 5. So here previous year is we have 188 crores credited. So we need to check what's that 188 crores, that is refer note 5. During the year ended March 31st 2019, the company had written back tax provision pursuant to acceptance of its position tax proceeding pertaining to earlier years. Previous year, Marico written back tax, so that amount mentioned here, that is 188 crores. This year they didn't get anything, so they paid 55 crores, but they got back 188 crores. That means total credit amount is 133 crores. But here they paid 53 crores. Now 252 minus 53 will get 199 crores. Here 270 plus 133 they got 403 crores. So previous year net profit is 403 crores. This year net profit is 199 crores. Here net profit is decreased. How much percentage decreased? We'll check it. 403 minus 199 crores, 204 crores divided by 403 into 100. 50.6 percentage decreased. 50.6 percentage decreased. This is year on year for March 31st 2019, March 31st 2020. Here we have total year results. So previous year they got 7,437 crores. This year they got 7,439 crores for complete year. Expenses previous year 6,179 crores. Here 6,036 crores. Total income minus total expenses, we get profit before exceptional items, that is 1,403 crores. Previous year 258 crores. Yet this amount is increased. So later we have exceptional item, that is 29 crores. To 1403 minus 29 we got 1374 crores. So later they paid 347 crores current tax and 16 crores credited. So total tax is 331 crores. Previous year 334 crores. But here one thing is they got 188 crores previous year, that is benefit. Total income tax expense for during this year is 331 crores. Previous year 126 crores. How we got 126 means 314 minus 188 126. That means previous year they paid 126 crores as a tax. This year 331 crores. Now 1374 minus 331 they got 1043. Previous year 1131 crores. Here decrease. How much percentage decrease? We'll calculate it. 1131 minus 1043, 88 crores divided by 1131 into 100. So 7.7 percentage decreased. Here 7.7 percentage. Here we have earning per share. Previous year 8.64. This year 7.91. For previous quarter 3.10. For this quarter 1.59 year on year. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.